Hello guys, good morning and welcome back. Today it is the last day for being with me. We will finish the lesson that we studied in the class because we are near for the exam. Please study very hard and pay attention. It is really easy. Don't be scared, okay? Today we will talk about unit 13 lesson 2. It's talk about also past simple. We use did for the question. For I, we, you, they, and two names we use and he, she, it, we use did for the question. Okay, for example, he say we can't find Kathy. We can't find Kathy. Oh no, there she is. Okay, I'm sorry, I went to the town. I'm sorry, I went to the town. We have when, it's said, means that this past simple. Okay, if we make it to a negative, it will be what? I didn't go to the town. We can't put two past verbs together, okay, in one sentence. Did you go with your mother? It's a question, okay? Did you go with your mother? No, I didn't. The answer for this question is shorter. No, I didn't, or yes, I did. Kathy, you're very young. It isn't safe. I'm sorry, but there's a little hedgehog near the river. It can work. Okay? Did you go to the library? Okay, I wanted information about hedgehogs. I wanted, it's also past simple. We have wanted by ed, it will be past simple. I wanted information about hedgehogs. Did you go to the library? Yes, I did. I found out a lot of information. Okay, also we have found, it's the past simple. If we make it to negative, it will be I didn't find. Okay, find out a lot of information. That's good. Let's go and see the hedgehogs. Okay, and this unit also lesson, we have some places like museum, library, swimming pool, castle, fun fair, and we have zoo. Did you go to the castle yesterday? Also, it's the question, and the shorter the answer, it will be shorter. And this is you can write anything about yourself, the answer about yourself, and you can ask yourself, you can ask your friend, did you go to school yesterday? Yes, I did, or no, I didn't. Okay, and lesson 3 also, it's about with the baker. We have match for this verbs. Okay, we have bakery, the sound. Okay, we have bakery, it means lake. Fun fair, it's hair. Okay, fun fair, hair. Park, car. Jacket, cap. Okay, jacket, cap. Roundabout, sofa. Emails, email. Train, hall, ball. Okay, read about your school trip. Guess the meaning of the underlying words. Okay, let me read and be careful. On Tuesday, I went with my class to Slimani. We went there on a bus. It was fun. First, we went to the Slimani Museum. We saw statues and pictures. They were very, very old. Then we drove to Azadi Park. There were a lot of picnic tables. We ate. We have ate. It is a past simple. Okay. Our lunch, we picked. Also, we have a past simple. Picked. We picked up all our all our rubbish and we got back on the bus. In the afternoon, we went to the fun fair. It was really good fun. I wanted to go on the big wheel, but it was very expensive. Also, we have wanted. We came, also we have came. It's past simple. If we make it to negative, we didn't come, okay? It will be this A. We came home at 3 o'clock. In the evening, I wrote a report about our school trip. Also, we have wrote. If we make it to present, it will be right. Or if we make it to negative, it will be I didn't write. Okay, I didn't write. Okay, answer the question. We have many questions and you can answer by this paragraph. Okay, firstly you can read very carefully and then answer these questions. Did they travel on a bus? Did they travel on a bus? Yes, they did. Did they go to Azadi Park first? No, they didn't. Did they have lunch at the fun fair? No, they didn't. Did they pick up their rubbish? Yes, they did. Did she go on the big wheel? No, she didn't. Did they come home at 4 o'clock? No, they didn't. Okay. They came home at 3 o'clock. Okay. And we have many pictures. It's about science lesson, and this is about art lesson, and this one about English lesson. And also it is the time. It's really easy for you. For example, what time it is? It's 12. It's 10:30, as usual and as you like. Okay, unit 14, lesson 1. Also we have some past verbs, present verbs. We make it to past verb. For example, heat, the same thing for present and for past. Okay, we hit the ball with a racket. We hit, or she hit the ball with a racket. Okay, and we have drop by adding ed, it will be past, but this p, it will be double. Drop it will be double, then we put ed to the verb. Drop the ball. Okay, and also we have fall over, it will be fell over. This a, it will be e. Okay, fell over the sports center. Okay, and we have kick. Also kicked, by adding ed, it will be past. Kick it with my foot. Okay, kick it with my foot. Through, it will be through. This o, it will be e for the past. Okay, through the ball to my friend. Heart your hand, it will be the same thing. Heart for past and for present. Okay, pay attention for this one. And we have the match. Okay, I kicked the ball with what? I kicked the ball with my foot. I hit the ball with a racket. I hit the ball with a racket. I fell over at the sports center. I hurt my leg. I dropped the ball. I threw the ball to my friend. Okay, and this is talk about the children in the pictures. Okay, what they did, or what for example, he kicked the ball with his leg, and it fell over. This one fell over. he dropped the ball. Okay, as you like. Okay, you can make many sentences about this picture. Okay, for example, he hit a van, he hurt his leg. Okay, this one. Talk about accidents, use the words in the box. We have many words here. For example, hand, arm, foot, leg, neck, head, ears, eyes, nose, mouth. Okay, you can say I fell over at school, I hurt my foot, I didn't hurt my hand. Okay, or you can say I kicked the ball with my foot. Okay, I hurt my leg, or I didn't hurt my neck. Okay, as you like, you can make a sentence. Okay, and this sentence read, listen to me here. I gave it water, I didn't give it food. Also we have gave. This give, it will be gave. Okay, this give, it will be gave. I gave it water, I didn't give it food. Look at this one. We have didn't. If we have didn't, the verb after it will be verb base, because we can't put two past verbs together in one sentence. Okay. Oh, poor little thing, I fell over, I dropped my bag on it, I think I hurt it. We have fell over, drop it, and hurt. Don't worry, I'm phoning the vet. Okay. Did she give it some water? Yes, she did. Can you come to see it? Yes, of course. Okay. Did she give it some food? Also, it's a question. Did she give it? Because we have did the verb, it will be a verb is. No, she didn't. Okay. And choose an answer. Okay, I went to the hospital, I had lunch at home, I went to the museum, I had lunch at home. Also we have when, we have had. I played football, I visit my aunt and uncle. We have played, we have visit. I played computer games, I visit my grandparents. Okay, also we have played, and also we have visit. Also it's about you can ask anything you like. Okay. Okay, we finished unit 14. It is that's enough, and I hope you get benefit from our videos. Please watch our videos because you are near for the exam. It's very useful. I hope you will get benefit from our videos. Thank you for watching, and see you inshallah very soon.